Hi there. For today's read aloud activity, we are going to be reading this. I'm going to read it twice to you. The first time you're just listening. The second time you're listening for either sentences or words or a phrase that keeps getting repeated over and over and over again, right? Because that's what we're focusing on, repetition. So I'm going to go ahead and read this to you. First time, really listen. Second time, listen, but listen for repetition. All right. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you want, you can clap with me. But just make sure you're listening for the repetition, okay? And I'm going to tell you what you're going to do with that in a minute. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to get that little poem, that little song, and you're going to write down the sentence or the phrase that you heard more than once. Now I'm going to give you a hint, there is two that you should be writing down. 1, 2. So your journal is going to have today's date, 1/21/21, because it's January 21st, 2021. All right, and then you're going to have 1, 2. You're going to write down the first line that you heard repeated, and then you're going to write down the second line you heard repeated, okay? And I'm going to have this up on the slide for you right here, so all you have to do is just go ahead and look for the line that got repeated more than once, okay? All right.